In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a client inactive or archive in SimplePractice. Keeping your client list tidy without losing important history is essential, and SimplePractice makes this straightforward. First, open SimplePractice and head to the Clients tab. From there, select the client you want to update. This will take you to the client's overview page, which is the main profile where you can see their details, appointments, and other relevant information at a glance. Once you're on the client's profile, look for the Edit button, typically found near the client's name or basic details. Click Edit to open the fields you can modify for this client. You'll see a section labeled Client Status, or simply Status, which is where you'll choose how you want to categorize this client moving forward. You have two options here. Choose Inactive if the client is no longer being seen right now, but you want to retain their record and history. This is a good choice for clients who have completed treatment but might return later, or for those taking a break. Marking a client. Inactive preserves everything you need for continuity, without cluttering your active caseload. Alternatively, choose Archived if the client is a prospective client you didn't ultimately onboard, or if you don't expect them to return. Archiving is helpful when you want to treat the client as closed and disable their client portal access. This is a clean way to signal that the case is complete, while still preserving the record for compliance and reference. Importantly, archiving does not delete the client's information. It simply changes how it's categorized and how the client can interact with the portal. After you've selected the status that best fits your situation, scroll if needed and click Save Client or Save to apply the change. The update takes effect right away. You'll now see the client listed according to the status you chose, which helps keep your active list focused on the people you're currently serving. If you ever make a selection and realize it's not the best fit, you can return to the same client status field and adjust it later. The key is to choose Inactive when you want to keep the door open and maintain easy access to the client's history, and choose Archived when the case is truly closed and portal access should be turned off. That's it. Simple, clear, and organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your SimplePractice workspace clean and compliant.